arrive in style with this 2010 Lincoln MKS with EcoBoost. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are color-coded mirrors, cruise control, body color bumpers, cooled seats, power lumbar driver seat, xenon headlights, airbag deactivation, child safety locks, and anti-theft security system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.